constants. A small number of constants live in the built-in namespace. They are false, the false value of the bool type. Assignments to false are illegal and raises a syntax error. True, the true value of the bool type. Assignments to true are illegal and raise a syntax error. Non, a object frequently used to present the absence of a value, as when default arguments are not passed to a function. Assignments to non are illegal and raises a syntax error. Non is the sole instance of the non type not implemented, a special value which should be returned by the binary special methods equal, less than, add, or sum, etc., to indicate that the operation is not implemented with respect to the other type, may be returned by the in place binary special methods I mul, I and, etc., for the same purpose. It should not be evaluated in a Boolean context. Not implemented is the sole instance of the types dot not implemented type. Not when a binary or in place method returns not implemented, the interpreter will try the reflected operation on the other type or some other fallback depending on the operator. If all attempts return not implemented, the interpreter will raise an appropriate exception. Incorrectly returning not implemented will result in a misleading error message or the not implemented value being returned to Python code. See implementing the arithmetic operations for examples. Note, not implemented error and not implemented are not interchangeable. Even though they have similar names and purposes, see not implemented error for details on when to use it. Change it in version 3.9. Evaluating not implemented in a Boolean context is deprecated. While it currently evaluates as true, it will emit a deprecation warning. It will raise a type error in a future version of Python. Ellipses, the same as the elliptical literals. Special value used mostly in conjunction with extended slicing syntax for user defined container data types. Ellipsis is the sole instance of types.ellipsis type underscore debug. This constant is true if Python was not started with an -0 option. See also the assert statement. Note, the names non, false, true, and debug cannot be reassigned assignments to them even as an attribute name raise syntax error. So they can be considered true constants. Constants added by the site module. The site module, which is imported automatically during startup except if the -s command line option is given, adds several constants to the built-in namespace. They are useful for the interactive interpreter cell and should not be used in programs. Quit code is equal to none, exit code is equal to none. Objects that when printed print a message like use quit or control D EOF to exit, and when called raise system exit with a specified exit code. Copyright credits. Objects that when printed or called print the text of copyright or credits respectively. License. Object that when printed print a message type license to see the full license text, and when called displays the full license text in a pager like fashion, one screen at a time. Let's see examples of constants. Print true, print false, print copyright, license, license, type license to see the full license. Exit. Okay.